Hello friends, in this lesson we will add functionality to open cells by clicking on them. First, let's change the style. I want to add an extra class to close the cells. So, cells without this class will be opened. Let's copy style for cell box and add .closed to it. Previously, we made the cell style like it is closed. So let's change it. Border width should be a bit thinner. We also need to change the colors of the border to a bit lighter color. And swap the colors. Bottom and right should be lighter than upper and left. Now we need to change the background color of our cells. Let's add the background color to the cell style. We also need to change the background color of closed cells. Let's add the style .cell.closed to do this. Let's check how it looks like now. Oh, it will be better when we can see the difference, I promise, really. Now let's go to the create cell method and add class closed to cells. All cells became closed again. Let's return to styling. We want to add style to hovered and active cells. In both cases, the background should be a bit lighter. For hovered cells, let's make borders lighter too. The same for active cells, but change the order of the colors. Now it looks better. Okay, let's add an opportunity to open cells. We need to add event listener to each cell or to whole board. Let's add it to the board now. Let's write this self-clicked function. We need only the target, so let's unpack it by using curly braces. To open clicked cell, we need just remove the closed class. Okay, now we can open cells and it's great, but it would be better if mice will be initialized after the first click, because the first click should be on the safe cell. Let's add props to the initBombs function. Click X and click Y. And now we must check if the bombs coordinates are equal to click coordinates. In this case, we should skip this cell, as if it was already occupied. Okay, we are almost done. Let's remove initBombs call. We don't need it here. We need to call it from cell clicked function. Firstly, we need the coordinates of the clicked cell, and secondly, we need to call it only once after the first click. Okay, we don't have coordinates now, so let's add them. Go to the initialization of our visual field and provide Y coordinate. In the map method, we can use not only the element itself, but also an index. Okay, let's go to create row method and add X coordinate to map method inside it. Now we can provide both coordinate to create cell method. Let's update create cell method. We can use custom attributes for storing coordinates. Let's call them data coord x for x coordinate and data coord y for y. Okay, now we can get coordinates of clicked cell. So let's update cell clicked method. We edit coordinates to the cell so we can read it. We can also check if these attributes exist, but this is not necessary. All cells must have them. We need integers, but now we have string values. So let's convert them by using the plus sign. And at last, let's add start game flag. Call it is running, for example. It should be false before clicking. Let's check this flag in the cell clicked method. And we also need to set the flag to true. Okay, let's check it. Oh, it's great. And that's it for now. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.